Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. If you are new, my name is Zainab and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make bajias using these beans which you see here. So first we have to actually soak the beans overnight. That's what I did to make sure the skin gets soft, and because we have to peel the bean skin, so we need to soak it to make it easy to peel the skin off. So now it's already like the next day, so I'm just removing the water, and then I'm going to start with my peeling process. Many people, they prefer to use blender on peeling the bean skin, but I just prefer to go with my hands, especially if I leave my beans overnight in the water. It gets more soft and it's easy to peel with the hands. But if maybe it's only few hours, like 3 to 4 hours, you can use blender because it won't be soft enough to use your hands. So as you guys can see, it's already like clean. So now I'm going to add enough water and strain it. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, you have to take your time for this because it's not that simple. So now I'm going to just strain it, and don't worry about the beans which is falling with the skin. I'm going to select it from the skin. I'm not going to throw it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I add water again because I saw the skin was still too much in the beans, and then I strain it again. So just keep repeating the process until your beans is clean, okay? So this is another way to remove the skin in the beans, and yeah, as you can see guys, it's really coming out. So I'm going to just strain it. Same time, you see that it's coming out. Everything is really easy and simple. So our beans is clean guys, it's clean, and look the skin. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put the beans in the blender, and then just half. I don't want too much. I want to blend nicely and come out with a nice paste. So what I'm adding there is a bit of garlic paste, and then I'm going to add some water. So I'm going to blend it out until it's a nice paste coming out. Okay, now I'm going to transfer that into a mixing bowl and finish the rest. So you have to be careful guys with water. We don't need too much water because we need thick paste. Okay, so this was a little bit too runny. So which one I'm gonna add now? I'm not going to add that much water, just a little bit. And also I'm going to add the garlic again, just a little bit of garlic. So yeah, I'm going to blend that into thick paste. Do not add too much water, okay? So guys, if you take a good look, you will see that the second paste is more thicker than the first one. So this is exactly what we are looking for. This is the consistency what we are looking for. But because I'm going to mix it together with the first one, it's going to come out a nice paste. As you guys can see, it's not runny anymore. So yeah, now I'm going to add fresh coriander, some chili flakes, and also some salt. So I'm going to follow with some black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper, and give a good stir just to bring everything together. Okay guys, so the paste is done, and my oil also is already hot. Make sure it's not too much hot, because if it is too much hot, it's possible not to cook through, so that's not what we want. And yeah, this the tablespoon which I'm going to be measuring the paste. So yeah, I'm going to fry until it's light golden. Okay guys, our bajias are done, and I'm loving it. The color, this golden color, is just killing me, but I cannot try it now because I have to finish first. So you have to use paper towel to place your bajias, so excess oil will be able to absorb on the paper. And of course, let him just finish the rest before I give it a try. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, let me tell you something, guys. The reason why I love these bajias is because you can eat it plain, you can eat with rice, you can eat with roti, you can eat with bread. It really goes with everything. So yeah, that's the reason why I love. And also it doesn't take so many ingredients, it doesn't need so many ingredients. So yeah, I'm breaking very slowly to show you guys the inside, how soft and puffy it looks. Like I add baking powder, something is so amazing, you guys. So you can try out yourselves, guys, and let me know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.